At ReAgent, we manufacture a range of biological buffers and bioprocessing reagents, including goods buffering agents such as tris, bis-tris, heats, pipes, phosphate-buffered saline, and tris hydrochloride buffers. Our biological buffers can be used in life science laboratories and, as we're accredited to the ISO 13485 standard for medical devices, they are approved for use in the medical industry. All of our biological buffers and bioprocessing reagents are subject to extensive quality checks and are manufactured in ISO Class 7 cleanroom conditions. Products are filtered to 0.2 microns and packed in sterile DNAse and RNAse-free packaging. If you need us to manufacture a biological buffer or bioprocessing reagent that has a short shelf life, we have both cold and frozen storage capabilities on site that allow us to produce, store, and transport your product at the specified temperature, so you won't have to worry about degradation. We will work closely with you to create the formulation that meets your exact needs. Whether you require us to manufacture your own formulation, change an existing formulation, or work with you to create a new formulation, we'll provide you with high-quality products and exceptional customer service every step of the way. If you need an expert biological buffer manufacturer, contact our friendly team of experts today